Hi, my name is Christine. I'm a wound and ostomy nurse, and I work for HPFY. I'd like to talk with you about using Coloplast Interdry Textile with silver. This is a great product that is perfect for skin folds. It wicks away moisture to keep that area dry. The silver in it decreases microorganisms such as fungus for fungal rashes. It is a problem if you have skin folds. And you can use it for skin that is macerated between the folds or eroding, itching, causing odor or pain. So it is available in sheets, it also in a roll. And what you would do is clean the skin. You want to dry it well prior to applying the sheet in between the skin folds. The silver is good for up to 5 days. Afterwards, you would discard the product and replace. And all these products are available on HPFY.